AI is transforming the editing process by providing automated tools and intelligent capabilities that enhance efficiency and creativity. Through the power of machine learning algorithms and data analysis, AI systems can automate various editing tasks, saving time and effort for editors. In the realm of image editing, AI algorithms can perform basic adjustments like cropping, resizing, or exposure corrections with precision and speed. These algorithms are trained on vast data sets, enabling them to identify patterns and make intelligent decisions about how to enhance an image's composition or quality. AI-powered tools can reduce noise, improve sharpness, producing visually stunning results. In video editing, AI can automate tasks such as trimming, merging, or adding transitions based on algorithms that analyze the content's visual elements and structure. By detecting scenes or key moments, AI algorithms assist editors in making precise cuts and transitions, streamlining the editing process. AI's capabilities also extend to creative suggestions and style transfer. By analyzing artistic styles and visual compositions, AI algorithms can provide editors with innovative suggestions to enhance their creative decisions. They can even apply the artistic style of one image or video to another, transforming the look and feel of the content in unique and captivating ways. AI algorithms can automatically categorize and label media files, making it easier for editors to search and manage their content libraries. By recognizing objects, faces, or other visual elements within the content, AI algorithms help editors quickly locate specific assets. While AI brings automation and intelligent assistance to the editing process, it's important to note that human editors retain the final say. AI serves as a valuable tool, complementing human creativity and expertise. The combination of AI's efficiency and automation with human artistry and judgment opens up new possibilities, revolutionizing the editing landscape and enabling editors to achieve their creative vision with greater ease and precision.